Nigerians, my people used to say that it is better to look for a black goat now that the day is still bright before the night falls. If you don't get me, you look for your black goat before the night falls. Something terrible is happening. A company is giving out a wrong narrative and people are keeping quiet. Opera News Nigeria is at it again. Few days ago, they came up with one useless narrative that Nnamdi Kanu has admitted sending people to buy police. They also wrote again that Nnamdi Kanu has admitted um, giving people a kind of weapons to terrorize Nigerians. These are false narratives. These are false information. These are false. When I mean false, they are not true. They are unfounded. Opera News Nigeria is the one spreading this wrong information. Trial about Nnamdi Kanu it has taken about 3 to 4, 5 days right now, and no conclusion yet. They are still ongoing, and witnesses from DSS and from government are on it, giving their witness, testifying what they know about Nnamdi Kanu. They have not come to any conclusion. They have never said that they are done with their case or all the allegations, that they are done with it and this is what they recommend or this is the outcome. But Opera News Nigeria, I don't even know who owns this Opera News Nigeria. But one thing I have noticed that they have been bought over. Whoever that has bought them over will surely disappoint them. I want to tell them before they continue in these their false narratives. The court is still ongoing. The trial is still ongoing. Nothing has been concluded. Nobody has been convicted or found guilty of any offense. Before now, Nnamdi Kanu has been discharged and acquitted. But because of the drama, shenanigans going on in Nigeria, because of the people involved, because of the tricks and the should I say it's not democracy, because of what they have planned out, their script they gave Nyako, Binta Nyako, that could not play. They brought in another system. Nnamdi Kanu is an Igbo man. Despite being an Igbo man, the guy has done nothing known by law against the law or anything wrong against Nigerian law. He has done nothing wrong. He was kidnapped from Kenya, brought back to Nigeria, renditioned back to Nigeria. And they want him to stand trial. That is not why I'm here. I'm only here to straighten this point that they are still ongoing on their trials. The witnesses are already giving their witness. They are ongoing, which means they are still on it. Opera News Nigeria is giving out false narrative, false information, untruthful information. Nothing has been concluded. I don't know how they came about those comments and those write-ups that they keep writing, giving out to the public what is not true. And this is what I am calling out. This is purely character assassination against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It is a defamation. If you know what I mean, I'm not a lawyer, but we all know what is going on. This is character assassination. This is defamation. This is an accusation. Whichever one you want to pick out of what I've just said. Opera News Nigeria, if you have been bought over peanut or trillions of dollars, it's your business. Do not bring problems to yourself. Do not bring problems to your company. Do not bring mayhem to yourselves. If you have made enough money to hold your company, do the right thing and relay good and truthful information. By the way you are going, you are not giving a truthful reportage against or towards what is happening or against or based on the trial going on Nnamdi Kanu at the High Court Abuja. Desist from this act. Desist from this heart before Ogu will kill you. Desist from this act before Amadioha will strike you. Do not give false information. You are not in the court since they have been bringing Nnamdi Kanu to court. I have not seen any Opera News workers who came to interview Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or his lawyers. Desist. Stop giving false information. When the case is done, when the case is over, and they bring out conclusion, or whatever, when they are finally done with their trial, you can report to your members or to your clients or to your customers. But right now, it is still ongoing. Do not give false narrative against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Do not put yourself in trouble. Do not jeopardize your company for a case that does not concern you. Do not be like Punch. Do not be like some of these stupid news setup. Control yourselves and control your company. Do not give wrong information to the public. The case is still ongoing. This is where I'm going to draw the curtain on this video, but I will still come back again if I notice any abnormality or any wrong reportage from your company. I will call you people out. Do not say I never warned you. This is the last warning. This is the last warning. It is the last warning. If you have anything to say, come to the comment section. Let me know your thoughts and your comments. Thank you.